Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I made this image last week and I smudged the image, black and white base image. Then I made up this image. Now I want to try to colorize this image, paint it. I have this, this is the base image photograph I shot a long time ago with a 4x5 black and white negative film. Then I made this smudged image, just make it like a oil painting like image. Then I made a mask to make up this, and also I have this line image which I made by Adobe Photoshop, used a filter called Find Edges. Well, looks like kind of illustration type, finished up last time. Now I want to colorize this, and I'm going to add the layer, paint it on this layer. Well, let's get started. Now, first of all, I'm gonna go for his skin tone first. Well, yeah, okay, let's go for it. This nice skin tone first, maybe about this, and use a brush, soft air brush this time. Okay, paint it, highlight area, that's too small. Okay, shadow area has more dark. About this kind, just like this, but it's not painted color. So I'm going to change this layer mode, normal to color. Okay, that's a starting point. Now I'm gonna paint it on this layer. Okay, now go for highlight side and a little more touch yellow on shadow area. And here too, I use this we got the animal here. It's, I don't know, I just imagine rabbit color. What the rabbit color? Maybe brownish? I don't know. And we have this grass, pretty dark. Well, change the brush to medium hard airbrush and small. To paint black, doesn't look like. Okay, anyways, change back soft airbrush to paint on his shirt or jeans first, because we know the color, we can imagine the jeans color. Maybe about this bluer. My shirt, some old. Well, let's start from blue. Okay, and we have another rabbit here. Okay, go for a shirt. What color? What do you think? Well, reddish maybe. And paint it on this bread. This bread. These are all breads, huh? Okay. What the yellowish? Maybe fresh bread, huh? Well. Okay. Just paint overall first, then I'm gonna go into the detail later. Now it's kind of fade out outside of this illustration, so it's not gonna paint on here much darker, just very lighten up. Now this has bread, this, and we have fruits, and this is important. This, what's important? Well, this is the goya, which is Okinawan vegetable. Real bitter taste. We make goya champuru, which is mixed up all the vegetables, not all, with this vegetable and tofu. I don't know if you guys know about this. Someday you're gonna come to Okinawa. Just try goya. This is, I think, orange or something. Okay, and this is, I just don't know the name here. Well, this is also, I think, Okinawan fruits. Okay, about around here, this, I don't know what that is. Okay. Nice thing about this layer mode color, you can add the color on this to change or mix up some different color. What I mean different is just, you see the fruits or vegetable turn into green, turning green to yellow, sort of mixed up colors. So that's so nice to use this blend mode. Okay, go for more reddish to dark side. Then light side has more yellow in it. This basket color has brown, but lots of red in it, in the dark side. So add reddish color Then add the yellow, red, so turn into brown like this. And also I believe this is red too, so I'm going to add some yellowish color. And oh, we have the paper bag. This is not red here, so I'm going to paper bag color, which is also brownish. I don't know what that is. I just imagine maybe some kind of fruit. Okay, we have silver color. And large area. This is brown grass. Now we have dark area. Add some red. Okay, we have a basket here. More yellowish on light side. Change the brush to medium hard airbrush. Go same small. Go back to soft airbrush. Now we'll touch the jeans. Has more rust. Well, almost. Go for background too also. Well, background. Now same kind of brownish background. I see the direction of the brush on background. Does have brush texture. Goes this way. And this way. So much different directions. Now add some more yellow to go fade out to outside. Does have some blue. Well, almost done for colorize. I almost forget about the hair. Okay, and I'm going to add some clothes. His shirt has more yellow. On highlight side, then go a little dark side. I'm gonna go foreground, a little bit yellowish. That's too much. Touch more red. Again, same direction to the brush. Okay, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna help you some kind of idea to make your own creative work, and I really appreciate for your support. Thank you, and have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.